How to make an ignorant girl like you. Don't worry, I'll share a powerful way, but warning, there might be some of you who don't like my answer, because I'm going to reveal a brutal and cold fact for guys. Ready? The fact is this: a girl will not be indifferent to a guy she likes. Meaning, understand. If she is indifferent to you, it means she has no interest in you. Creepy. But it's a fact. As ignorant as girls are, by nature women have a very high sense of care and affection. Just look at the attitude of a mother to her child or a wife to her husband. If subconsciously she doesn't see you as the right husband candidate, she will be indifferent to you, but if in the bottom of her heart she has an interest in making you a partner, no matter how shy the girl is, she will show a form of attention for you, maybe trying to laugh at your jokes, trying to ask questions and know more about yourself, trying to connect the chat when meeting or chatting, giving food, giving small forms of help. It is a signal that the girl is interested in you. Being ignorant, cold, not caring if you talk to her, slow response when chatting, or even not replying to chat at all with the excuse of being busy, it's not because she's ignorant, but because she's not interested in you. Realize yes. So, now that you're aware of this fact, what should you do? The point is 1. Improve the quality of yourself. Be a high-value man whose existence can be ignored by any girl. Just imagine a handsome, rich, smart, accomplished guy, with a good body. If he enters a room, girls will definitely look at him. Focus on being a guy who is handsome and rich, has achievements, has work, and is financially established. Surely you will attract high-value women too. But, I'm not handsome, I'm not rich, I don't have a good body, I'm introverted and antisocial, defensive and traumatized, and so on. If you often use this excuse, you feel as if the world owes you a favor, as if you have an obligation to present a woman who is willing to accept your weaknesses, who even has to want to be with you, even though you are unemployed, rarely bathe, can't earn money, and so on. This is what makes you look unattractive in the eyes of girls. Attitudes like making excuses, feeling sorry for yourself, and feeling like a victim, this is what makes girls auto away from you. So look in the mirror not to degrade or feel sorry for yourself, but to realize which points you can develop, how you can be more handsome, straighter, cooler, more established, smarter, and so on. And later, if you become more qualified, and you're happy with yourself, you'll have more options in life, including when it comes to women. You can choose what's best for you, not just accept who wants to be with you, and I'm sure, if you can understand this concept, you'll see that self-improvement is real. You will get better little by little, slowly, until you become a high-value man. Sorry if I'm a bit harsh here, I feel like it's my duty as your brother in arms, and I'm not just telling you what to do, but I'm also always going to share my knowledge so that you can become better. I made hundreds of videos on this channel for you for free. From sports, martial arts, finance, wealth, prosperity, to romance and psychology, tips are there for you, and I will continue to make up to 600 videos in 2023, so you can subscribe to this channel first so you don't miss other tips. All videos on this channel can be studied, chosen the most suitable for you and practiced, and if you feel you still need more, I will also make various ebooks that are very practical for you. I'm sure you can become a guy who will no longer be ignored by girls, not just considered a pastime or an unimportant figure. You can become a high-value man. Greetings, high-value man, never give up.